Hey guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical. Today we're going to discuss my ideas and thoughts and favorite stuff for camping outdoor EDC. All right, my first recommendation is a good, strong, high-end blade, but not just any old blade, right? You want a really good bush knife. Super high-end steel, like a super steel, like the Bone Tactical Super Steel machete, or something like the 15N20, which is just crazy tough, one of the toughest steels on the market, that we make the actual Bushcraft knife from Bone Tactical out of. This knife and sheath system is completely designed 100% for Bushcraft. So what we've got going on here is the ability to make fire integrated into the sheath, knife sharpener, so you're never going to have to worry about going with a knife. And then from there, you just want to have that backpack with a water on it. Okay, so I keep my water bottle on my backpack. So you got fire, water, defense, knife, everything you need. And then, of course, that ultimate survival bug out bag, the water bottle from Bone Tactical, comes with it. Wazoo gear, cache cap and cache belt. The belt is really nice, heavy duty nylon webbing, has your little option in there to stash stuff on the inside. Great stash idea. I don't recommend carrying anything in here that you don't want to get caught with. It's not like super deep cover, but the cap itself is actually a little bit deeper cover. Why is that? Because if I stash something in the stash cap, then what I have is the ability to stick the cap on. All right, and if I'm going through and really worried that I'm gonna get searched or interrogated or anything like that, or somebody's really gonna try and find out what I have and I have to get rid of it quick, I can just kind of get myself into a crowd where I'm not getting looked at and toss my hat in some place where it's gonna get disposed of, not found, dumpster, something like that, or not traced back to me, depending on what I'm carrying. If I'm carrying something that I'm not that worried about getting caught with, then I just have a stash cap signal device, and this stuff actually lights up really well at night. So we've got Lew's shoes, boots here, and these I am actually going to be putting on and running and gunning today and ongoing with these, but I just can tell you just by looking at them, really nice quality leather, really tough, really great tread, great sole. They don't seem super like form-fitted to the foot, but that's a good thing because they'll probably fit most people. And then I don't necessarily want a shoe that has like a super high insole if I'm flat-footed, because we can change the insoles out to whatever insole we like. And just the overall fit and finish of this shoe looks great. I really do think they do a great job. It's waterproof, very lightweight, and this shoe is even good enough looking to where it excels at Gray Man Theory, because this does not look tactical, military. I really can't be profiled by this boot in any way. It does look a little bit of like a luxury item, so I do need to be careful to balance out the rest of my gear, not having super expensive looking stuff if I don't want to make myself a target in dangerous areas. This is the Tyrant Daily Carry, TDC, from Tyrant CNC pen. Just really cool, handmade aluminum pen. It has this little knob on here that has a glass breaker, so that's super cool. The glass breakers like works also you as a fidget. You guys that want to carry something for being fidgety, I would highly recommend this. Very nice, very refined pen. Of course, the other bolt action is the pen itself, and just absolutely just a really cool item to have. Overall, something you can support, American made, and just beautiful, well made, cool pen. Writing device, fidget device, way better to carry than a fidget spinner or something like that, because this actually does something. It actually works. This is the newest headlamp in from Bone Tactical, and has red light function, white light function. What's so important about red light function is that we don't kill our night vision and we don't give our position away as much. So basically, this is super crucial out in the field. Mosquito repellent, bug repellent, and a lighter. Okay, backup lighter. I already talked that I have my fire starting. Okay, I always want to have two. One is none, two is one. So this isn't even, oh, there it goes. It's working right now. But what we've got, so always want to have a backup. Then repellent, as far as repellent goes, this Parakeeto, I'm working with these guys right now. They do a great job. It is not as powerful as the DEET. We've been using this stuff in super crazy mosquito infested country right now. It is not as powerful as the DEET stuff, but the DEET has been known to, or suspected to, cause cancer and all kinds of other stuff, and they say it's very dangerous. So this does work, and maybe I have to apply it a little bit more often or a little bit more liberally, but this has all natural ingredients and really just doesn't really, you're much less likely to be doing harm to yourself or the environment or anything than the DEET. I am not going to allow myself personally to get eaten up, so I'll even put on up to 100% DEET if I need to, if it's really just nasty conditions, but we've got a full spectrum of options here. You want to be able to carry your cards on you, ID cards, whatever you have, credit cards, anything like that. So definitely the EDC Minimalist Wallet from Bone Tactical allows you to do all that. This one's one of the first ones that I've ever made, just absolutely beat up, but still going strong. A bracelet like this allows you to have a force multiplier anywhere that you go, not have to worry about having it with you, airports, train stations, planes, whatever you want to be going. And then also, Gray Man Theory, nobody knows what this can do, but most of you guys do know that the bone occlusion bracelet can be an incredible force multiplier. Kevlar cordage can be used as a tree saw, made into fire starting devices along with other things. And then of course, along the topic of self-defense, we have the forged brass bone breaker from Bone Tactical. And then most people know what this can be used for, of course. So we talked briefly about the survival kit in the beginning of the video because of the importance of having a water bottle in your camp or outdoor EDC. But overall, if you only wanted to bring one thing with you, I've actually developed myself the absolute best ever put on the market, ever even assembled or anything like that, bug out kit, bug out bag that you can throw in your vehicle, you can have in your office, you can have absolutely anywhere, and it contains absolutely everything you need to survive for an indefinite amount of time. So if you don't want to have to load up all this particular stuff yourself one by one, and if you want to have absolutely everything, even has a knife in there, has literally everything, all of the minimum basics, and then buy it one time buy, this is your thing. If you had to choose one thing for going outdoors, survival, or bug out, this is it. The ultimate bug out survival system from Bone Tactical. Well guys, thanks for watching. Bone out.